people are coming. And today, as I speak, they are about to reach. They have already left Bombo, and we believe that they will reach immediately. By tomorrow, the 30th, we are expecting them to reach here. And also, I am very happy for other dioceses that have already reached. The likes of South Ankole, I can see them. They're already in the conference. So we are encouraging people to come. Sometimes other people think that when you are following Jesus Christ, then there is no suffering. But we want to affirm to you that through the suffering of the martyrs, we are able also to stand on our faith firm, just like the Bible says that we have to stand firm even in the time of difficulties.
My names are Reverend Sam Kwataje from West Ankole, leading a group of 275 pilgrims from West Ankole to Namugongo. We started the journey on 20th, 2025, and reached here today. We spent 9 days in the journey. West Ankole is the pioneer to start pilgrims apart from Catholic Church. And pilgrims is like fasting. That's when we say, when you are doing fasting, does not mean that you don't have something to eat or to drink. It is a commitment.
Na simarango kikaha ahabwe mbabazi ahakuba tutambwireje urugendo rwabonera kandi kutwahikaha batwakira nka Church of Uganda kandi bitushangiro mu muhanda ubundi ebizire bitabonera umwe tubire tutambura tuterwe njura umwe amizi gabahare yo muhanda aho nibiteganisa abaramaji kureba abantu batambura distance ningwa kuruga muhanda ukuza kunabara hari eco kiteganisa konko rugendo rwe rubonire
ni simarahanga munonga okureba ngo hatesha hezi nyemerira akashoze na mugongo kandi ninyebaza mukama okutwebembera okuruga ntungamo kandi tukijaje umuhanda ugu kandi akatureta katusiyo mu ryogo mwanya ekigendererwa ekiturukuba turuho na munonga ahabwo kutambura no kugezaho kugira ngo bundi tushike ombigere by'abajurizi okuba abonesibwe okuba arabanisibwemu ahabwo kukunda arahanga kandi bakagumiraho amazima ahabwo kugumiza muntu bakunda arahanga
guno Uganda esike ekomo katonda gwe muntu Uganda shoka osabe ogene okoe okomo webeze katonda webake atero bazi singa lasha badla kubazi guno baka guno as bagave abatumi ofimi wati banesia wonda kada bazi tamo tige sanka katonda banesia ewe miembe yonda ensi etuke
simarahanga ahabwe byatukorire nebyaturabizemo niyo nshonga ahabwe nkintu tugarakana mugongo okumusima no kumwebaza
ni nsima ruhanga ahabwo kuturinda umunguto abo kubarmu bingi ebyo kuteganisa na munonga entambura kushanga ntuburo umuhanda ahabwe byiruka kukanya umunguto konka ninyongera na kusima na government yitu ya Uganda abwa President Museveni okuturondera security yo kutukuma kandi katutambuza ekatwisya